Polygon Matic at the time of this recording is giving us a bit of a bounce into our key area of resistance between the 0.248 and the 0.239, which is that red target area. And that is after getting a pullback to the downside from the highs we made above the 0.297. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the scenarios that can play out if by any chance we get a break to the upper side of this red target area, and also the case scenario that can unfold in case we get rejected within this area over here. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, my analysis has been that from the highs we made above the 0.297, I have been observing this 5-wave structure to the downside, terming that initial drop as the formation of that wave 1. We got a bounce in a wave 2, then we saw the pullback in the formation of this wave 3, and after getting the wave 3, I have been expecting a bit of a bounce in the formation of that fourth wave, and the minimum target areas for the wave 4 were given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the high we made in the formation of that second wave to the low we made in the formation of this wave 3, and on so doing the area of interest was between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382. Within this target area, I have been expecting that the wave 4 is going to top out within that area and then get our reversal to the downside in the formation of this wave 5 to complete that 5-wave structure to the lower side. And as a result of that, this area over here is now acting as resistance. And the first possible scenario is that we are going to get rejected within the area and continue pushing a little bit lower in the formation of this wave 5. And if that is the case, the areas that you need to pay attention to can be given by connecting the fib extension from the high of the wave 1 to the low of that wave 1, then connecting the fibs to the lows we made in the formation of that third wave, and on so doing the fib level 0.618, which lies above the 0.19, is the area that you need to pay attention to as your next breakdown target area. So in case we get rejected, I will first expect to see Polygon Matic giving us a reset of the lows we made below the 0.29, the 0.02, the 0.20938 in the next coming hours, lose that significant low and then continue pushing lower to fully maximize the fib level 0.618. Alternatively, in case we continue seeing more bullish momentum and maybe by any chance we manage to break out of this resistance area by breaking above the 0.248, flipping that key area back into support, then that will be a clear indication that a more bullish case scenario is unfolding, and we can easily get a reversal in the next coming hours that can easily give us a break above the key area of resistance above the 0.25866 and the 0.27663, aiming for the 0.297 and the 0.3 USDT mark as your next impulsive target areas. So we need to pay attention to this key area of resistance between the 0.248 and the 0.239, because that is what is going to determine the next direction for Polygon Matic. A break to the upper side will be a clear indication that a more bullish case scenario can unfold, but if by any chance we get rejected over here, expect one more breakdown move to the fib level 0.618 below the 0.19 USDT mark in the next coming hours and days. So that is all that I expect here on the Polygon Matic chart on the short term, and let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.